morning students. Yesterday we completed addition and subtraction, even application sums also. Today I am going to teach you about cost, price and selling price, profit and loss. Profit and loss. Now you will go to stationery shop and you will buy pen for 20 rupees. You will buy pen for 20 rupees. That we will call it as cost price. Cost price. Cost price. You will buy pen for 20 rupees. Okay? But whatever you bought for that pen, you don't like that. What you will do? You will tell to your friend that I am having one new pen. If you want to buy, you can buy. But what you will tell? Cost of that pen, you will tell it cost 25 rupees. You will tell that it cost 25 rupees. Your friend what he tells? Okay, I will buy this. So he buys also that. For how much? 25 rupees. That is selling price. He bought that pen for 20 rupees. But he sold that pen for 25 rupees. That is selling price. That is selling price. 25 rupees. Now, you have to tell me whether you got profit or loss for this. Tell me. Yes, you are right. You got here profit of 5 rupees. How? See, you bought it for 20 rupees, but you sold it for 25 rupees. You got profit. Here you can observe that, see, SP is greater than CP, isn't it? Selling price is greater than cost price. Then profit will be selling price minus cost price. Here you can observe how much you got profit. 25 minus 20, which is 5 rupees. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Here SP is greater than CP. CP is cost price, SP is selling price. So here only we can check profit equal to C. 25 minus 20. 25 minus 20. How much it is? 5 rupees. It is 5 rupees. That is profit. Did you understand here? What is the selling price and cost price? Okay, now one more book you will get it from stationery shop. Cost of that book is 100 rupees. That cover, no, you don't like that cover, but you bought that. What to do now? But you didn't like that. Then what you will do? Again you will ask one more friend and you will tell that, do you want this? What is the cost price? Yes, you are right. Cost price is here. Cost price here 100 rupees. Okay? You will tell your friend that it cost 105 rupees. But he will not agree for that. He will tell, I don't want. I know that price of this book is 100 rupees. Then what you will think? You don't like that. And what you will do? You will tell that, okay, at least give me 95 rupees. Then your friend agrees. Okay, then your friend agrees. Then you sell that book for 95 rupees. What is the selling price now? What is the selling price? 95 rupees. Selling price is 95 rupees. You got profit or loss in this case? Tell me. What you got? Profit or loss? Yes, you are right. You got loss of 5 rupees because cost price is 100, but you sold it for 95 rupees. So you got here loss. Here in this case, you can observe here. See, here cost price is greater than selling price, isn't it? See, cost price is 100 rupees and selling price is 95 rupees. Here you can observe that cost price is greater than selling price. So that when cost price is greater than selling price, it will be loss. So what is the formula to find out loss? Loss equal to CP minus SP. What is CP here? 100 minus 95. See, 95 5 rupees. There is a loss of 5 rupees. This is profit. This is loss. And next, you will buy a second-hand cycle. Okay? You will buy a second-hand cycle. Cost of that second-hand cycle is 1200 rupees. Cost of that second-hand cycle is 1200 rupees. Afterwards, it has some problem. You have to change that wheel of the cycle. Then you will give it to repair. Then how much you will spend for repairing? 200 rupees. You spend 200 rupees. Means that is the extra charge. Cost price 1200 rupees. For repair itself, it costs 200 rupees. That is, we will call it as extra or overhead, extra charges, extra expense for this. How much extra expense? 200 rupees. So that we will call it as overhead, extra expense. Okay, that is extra expense, that we will call it as overhead. Now, here you will not take cost prices only 1200 rupees. In this case, you have to take total cost price. Total cost price. That is how much you spend for one cycle. How much you spend for one cycle. How much you spend? 1200 plus 200, which equal to 1400 rupees. And afterwards, what you will do? You will tell your friend that I am having one cycle. If you want to buy that, you can buy. And you will tell the cost of that cycle is 1800 rupees. By seeing that cycle attractive. So by seeing that cycle, your friend agrees for 1700. 700. He will not agree for 1800. He will tell that I will give you 1700. You agree. Okay. So then your selling price is 1700 rupees. Now tell me, you got profit or loss in this case? See, total you spent for cycle is 1400 rupees and selling price is 1700 rupees. What you got? Yes, you are right. You got profit of 300 rupees because in this case we can observe that selling price is greater than cost price, isn't it? Selling price is greater than cost price. So you got here profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price, which equal to 1700 rupees minus 1400, that is 300 rupees of profit. Okay, this overhead means extra expense. Did you understand? This is the extra expense. So sometimes some shopkeeper will buy many things and he cannot carry by bus or nothing. So what he will do? He will go by auto. For auto, he spends some amount for transportation, that is maybe 100 rupees. If his cost price is buying all things, if he spends 2000 rupees and even he will go by auto, that is the extra transportation charge, 2000 plus 100 rupees. Then cost price, total cost price will become 2100 rupees. The transportation is also, it comes under overhead, that is extra expense. I think you understood this. Okay, dear students, this is the profit and loss and that is overhead. Now we will move to next exercise sums. Now, first one, exercise 2. Now, exercise 2. In that, find the profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. In that, 8 CP equal to 648 rupees. SP equal to 695 rupees. B1 CP equal to 237 rupees and SP equal to 295 rupees. C1 CP equal to 445 rupees. SP equal to 395 rupees. Okay. Now, in this case, observe student, cost price given that here cost price as given 648. Okay, you can observe that cost price is 648 rupees and selling price is 695 rupees. What you got in this case? Profit or loss? See, selling price is more, cost price is less, then of course you have got profit. So in here, SP is selling price is greater than cost price, then you have got profit. Okay, profit equal to how much you got profit? See, selling price minus cost price is equal to 695 minus 648. You have to do here subtraction. See, 695 minus 648. What you will get? 5 minus 8 not possible. You take, you borrow from here. What you will get? What is 15 minus 8? You are right. 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now, how much you got profit? 47 rupees. You got a profit of 47 rupees. So, therefore, profit you got, that is 47 rupees. Next one. See, in this case, cost price is rupees 237. Selling price is 295. You can observe here that selling price is more than cost price. When selling price is more than cost price, what you should do? What you will get? Profit or loss? Yes, you are right. You will get profit. Again, what we should do? Here we will get first profit. So, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. In this case, SP greater than CP. Selling price is greater than CP. Therefore, profit equal to 295 minus 237. So 295 minus 237. How to find 295 minus 237? 2 minus 295 minus 237. Is it possible? 15 minus 7? Is it possible? No. So borrow from here. You will get here 8 and here 15 minus 7 is, you are right, 8. 8 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay? Did you understand? Sorry, 8 minus 3 is here 5. So, what you got? 58 rupees. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 58 rupees. Here you got profit of 58 rupees. Okay? Next. Here also you can observe SP here? CP or SP? Yes, you are right. Here CP is greater, cost price is greater, selling price is less. Then what you will get, profit or loss? Yes, loss. Here CP is greater than SP. So I think you can do it as homework. Just I will write loss equal to CP minus SP, 445 rupees minus 395 rupees. Subtract and write here answer. Okay? Subtract and write here answer. Can you tell me answer? Anyone want to 445 minus 395? You write it. You will get answer here and write it. Last one sum in this exercise video. Last one sum. See, in the sum, CP equal to 150 rupees and cost of repair equal to 45 rupees. Next, SP equal to rupees 245. See, in this case, you can observe that some cost of repair is there, isn't it? So, what is the total cost here? Total cost equal to CP plus overhead. What is the overhead here? What is the CP? 150. What is the overhead? That is the cost of repair. What we will get here? Total cost equal to 195 rupees. Now, selling price is greater than the total cost. Selling price is greater than the total cost. So what you will get? Yes, you are right. You will get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP, that equal to, what is SP here? What is SP here? 245. 245 minus 195. What you will get here? 50 rupees. Okay? He has got profit of 50 rupees in this case. This is the cost price and this is the cost of repair. Here to find the total cost, you have to add this. 150 plus 45 is 195 rupees and selling price is greater here. So you will get total profit, that is SP minus CP. 245 minus 195 equal to 50 rupees. I hope you understood today's class. Next exercise we'll do in next class. Okay, thank you children.